Want people begging to talk to you again? Try this. Hey there, welcome back to Stoic. Now, if you've ever wanted to capture someone's attention so deeply that they'll beg to talk to you again, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful psychological strategies, often called dark psychology, that you can use responsibly to create intrigue, build attraction, and leave a lasting impression. We're talking about simple but effective techniques that can completely transform your interactions, making you unforgettable. Now, let's be clear, these aren't about manipulation but about understanding how human psychology works. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the fascinating power of mystery. You see, people are naturally drawn to what they don't fully understand. It's human nature. We're wired to crave the unknown. That's why a closed door is so much more enticing than an open one. So how do you apply this? It's simple. Don't reveal everything about yourself up front. Think of yourself as a captivating novel. You wouldn't want to give away the entire plot in the first chapter, would you? Share just enough to spark curiosity and leave them wanting more. For example, instead of saying, "I had a great weekend," say, "I had an unforgettable weekend." It's a story for another time. Trust me, that little bit of mystery will have them hooked, wondering what adventures you got up to and eager to hear more. Now let's talk about the push-pull technique. This one's a game changer when it comes to building attraction and keeping people engaged. It's all about balancing closeness and distance. A bit of a dance, if you will. Here's how it works. You show genuine interest in the person, making them feel seen and valued, but then you shift gears ever so slightly. You don't want to be overly available or come across as desperate. Remember, we're aiming for intriguing, not suffocating. For instance, you might compliment them on something unique, making them feel special, but then pivot the conversation back to yourself or another topic. This creates a little emotional roller coaster, keeping them engaged and invested. It's like saying, "I really admire how you handle situations, but I bet you'd struggle with what I went through last week." See the balance? Now, this next technique is subtle yet incredibly powerful. It's called mirroring, and it involves subtly copying someone's behavior, tone, or body language. Now, before you think this is some manipulative Jedi mind trick, let me explain. Mirroring is a subconscious way to create rapport and connection. It's about speaking the other person's language, both verbally and non-verbally. When we mirror someone, we're essentially saying, "I get you, I'm on the same wavelength." So, pay attention to their cues. If they're leaning in while talking, do the same. If they're using a certain tone, match it. This subconscious mirroring makes people feel understood and comfortable around you. 2 key ingredients for wanting to reconnect. Let's talk about the scarcity principle. This one's a classic for a reason. It's rooted in basic economics but applies beautifully to our social interactions. The principle is simple. People value what they think they might lose. Think about it. Diamonds are valuable because they're rare. If they were everywhere, their value would plummet. The same goes for your time and attention. If you're always available, your presence loses its value. So, how do you apply this? Occasionally delay responses or politely turn down invites, making your time and attention more precious. I'm not saying to play games or be intentionally aloof. The key here is balance. Be intriguing, not indifferent. This final strategy is all about creating lasting impressions that go beyond words. It's called emotional anchoring, and it's based on the idea that people remember how you make them feel more than what you say. Think about the most memorable moments in your life. They're not just facts and figures, are they? They're infused with emotions. Joy, excitement, love, even sadness. These emotions create powerful anchors in our memories. So, how do you create these anchors in your interactions? It's about being present, being authentic, and being willing to share a bit of yourself, make them laugh, share a vulnerable moment, or inspire them with a story. When they think of you, those positive emotions will make them want to talk to you again. Now, a quick warning. These strategies can backfire if used unethically or too aggressively. Don't manipulate or toy with someone's emotions. The goal here is to create genuine intrigue and connection, not to play games or hurt anyone. So there you have it. 5 powerful psychological strategies that can leave a lasting impression and have people eager to talk to you again. Use them wisely, and remember, the best relationships, whether personal or professional, are built on authenticity and respect. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little boost in their social skills. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.